This video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Instagram account to your Facebook business page, right? So that you can either make a post on Instagram and it's going to reflect on Facebook and vice versa, right? And you can also use both your Facebook page and Instagram account to run ads together, right? So let me quickly show you how you can do that. So once you come to your Facebook account, look under this your shortcut, look for your particular fan page, right? So I'm just going to use this page as an example, right? Let me use this Jammas advertising page as an example, right? Once you open your business page, scroll down, come down to this part of your screen, right? Then you want to switch to Jima's page to take more action, right? So switch now, right? So you want to switch to your page to take action. Now I'll switch to my page, right? So you can scroll down, click on settings, right? Then scroll down and look at this place that say linked account, right? Other settings that say linked account. Click on linked account, right? Now this is where you now connect your Instagram, right? Look at it, say Instagram not connected. Click on it now to connect your Instagram, right? It's going to show this. Click on connect account. Look at it, it says you can only connect an Instagram professional account to a Facebook page, right? So before you do this, you want to make sure that you switch your Instagram profile to professional account on your Instagram, right? Which people still refer to as Instagram business account, right? So you want to make sure that you have switched your Instagram to professional, right? So that you can do this. Just click on connect, right? Then it's going to show you all this. Allow access to Instagram message inbox. Click on continue, right? Now it's going to show these windows, right? All you have to do is to log in into your Instagram account, right? But I don't want to do that now, right? Now it's going to show you, it's going to recommend an account for you. Let's say it's not this particular Instagram you want to use. You can easily switch an account here. You can click on switch account, right? Now you can now log in your Instagram here, right? You can enter your username and password and log in. Once you log in, you successfully linked your Instagram account. Alright, that's how you basically linked your Instagram account to your fan page. Alright, I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video and you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Alright, and if you want to link your WhatsApp account, this is the same place you do it. Just click on WhatsApp, enter your WhatsApp number, then confirm your OTP and you'll be able to confirm your WhatsApp, right? So that is how you basically connect your Instagram account to your Facebook business page, right? So if you find value in this video, make sure you like this video and you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, all right? Until then, we're going to see you in the next video. Peace.